In this video, I'm going to explain what a brokerage account is, how it differs from other accounts you may have opened at a bank, and how best to use a brokerage account to increase your returns on your cash savings. Thank you for watching Dave, the Personal Finance Professor channel. A brokerage account is opened with a broker-dealer or a financial advisory firm. It is not opened at a bank. Although most large banks have brokerage subsidiaries, they are separate businesses from their traditional bank subsidiary. A broker offers several types of accounts, such as IRAs, 529 college savings plans, and health savings accounts, to name a few. A brokerage account is not a tax advantaged account like the others I have mentioned, which means it has fewer restrictions on how much you can deposit and how much you can withdraw. The process to open a brokerage account is similar to opening an account at a bank, although you will find some unique questions not asked when opening a traditional bank account, such as if you or your family members are officers or large shareholders of a public company. These questions have to deal with the unique regulations of broker dealers. Once open, you will not be required to make an initial deposit or fund your new account immediately. You have days, weeks, or even months to make your first deposit. When you're ready to move monies into your new account, you will link your current bank's checking or savings account to your new brokerage account and can transfer money relatively easily. Please note, not all brokers are offering real-time transfers, which means it may take 1 or 2 business days for your deposit to arrive at your brokerage account or future withdrawals to arrive back to your linked bank account, so plan ahead. Your initial deposit will be placed in the brokerage's default cash position. You immediately begin earning interest in this position, like you would any savings account. Unlike a traditional bank account, you can add many positions inside your brokerage account. A position is a fancy word for an investment. Think of these as mini accounts inside your large brokerage account. A position could be a CD or a stock, say 100 shares of Microsoft, or a stock or bond mutual fund, or even an ETF. What you invest in can come later as you learn more about the basics of investing. For now, you'll want to put all or some of your initial cash deposit into a money market mutual fund that will yield more than the default cash position your money now sits. Your brokerage website or mobile app will offer a means to search for mutual funds. You'll want to search for a money market mutual fund that has a minimum investment amount that meets your needs. I've got an example here of the Fidelity uh, mutual fund screen. So you can see on this page, Fidelity starts with 9,147 mutual funds. It seems overwhelming, but I'm going to quickly show you how we're going to find the money market account that'll work best for us. The first thing we want to do is we want to search the correct asset class or category. I'm simply going to click on money market. It's going to, now we're down to 31 funds. So I've moved from over 5,000 funds to just 31, but that's still a lot to choose from. I don't want to pay any transaction fees. So Fidelity offers me an option to select no transaction fees. The next thing I want to do is I want to reduce the minimum investment amount. Some money market accounts require a minimum of 10,000 or 100,000 or even $1 million for the initial investment. So I'm going to click this button that offers minimum investments of less than 2,500. Now that gets me to 11 funds. So let's take a look at our 11 funds. So here are our 11 funds. The default sort for Fidelity is for 3-year returns. I'm going to look at 1 year. I'm going to look at both 1 year and 3-year returns. I can see here that the number one fund is the Fidelity Money Market Fund SPRXX. That has a yield of 5.16% over 1 year and 3.39% over 3 years. That seems to be better than any other fund on the page. I know the minimum investment is less than 2,500, so this is the fund I'm going to select. All I need to do is hit buy, and it'll then ask me how much money I want to put in it. I can move all my initial deposit into it, or some of my initial deposit into this fund. And that's how easy it is to select the fund I want to use. The good thing about brokerage accounts is you can move your money into new mutual funds whenever you want, most times with no fees or penalties. You can purchase CDs from different banks and see all your cash investments in one place. Enjoy your new brokerage account. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I have many other videos to help you on your way to financial independence. Thanks for watching Dave, the Personal Finance Professor channel.